Hi everyone, welcome to Make Money Online. Today we are diving into a topic that can change your financial future. Simple financial habits to build wealth. Building wealth doesn't have to be complicated. It starts with small, consistent actions that lead to big results. Stick around to discover how to start your journey today. Let's begin with a question. Why do so many people struggle to build wealth? Often it is not about how much money they earn, but rather how they manage it. One major misconception is that building wealth requires a six-figure salary or winning the lottery. The truth is, most wealthy individuals started by managing small amounts wisely. Another challenge is the mindset of I will start saving later. But the longer you wait, the harder it becomes to catch up. Debt is another significant barrier. Credit card balances, loans, and other high-interest debts can drain financial resources and create stress. Many people find themselves living paycheck to paycheck, unable to break free from the cycle. Finally, there is a lack of financial education. Schools often don't teach us about managing money, investing, or saving for the future. As a result, many people feel overwhelmed and don't know where to begin. But here is the good news. Simple habits can help you overcome these challenges and pave the way to financial success. Now, let's explore some habits that can transform your financial life. 1. Pay yourself first. This means saving a portion of your income before spending on anything else. Start small, even if it is just 10% of your earnings. Over time, you will build a financial cushion that grows steadily. Number 2, create and stick to a budget. Budgeting helps you understand where your money is going and ensures you are spending in line with your priorities. Apps and tools can make this process easier. Number 3, eliminate high interest debt. Make paying off credit card debt and other high interest loans a priority. The money you save on interest can be redirected toward savings and investments. The fourth one is automate your savings. Set up an automated transfers to your savings and investment accounts. This way, you are consistently building wealth without having to think about it. Number 5, invest early and consistently. The power of compound interest is incredible. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Even small contributions can lead to significant growth over decades. The fifth and the last one, live below your means. Wealth isn't about how much you make, but how much you keep. Avoid lifestyle inflation and focus on building assets instead of liabilities. These habits may seem simple, but they are incredibly powerful when practiced consistently. Let me share a quick story to illustrate the power of these habits. Meet Warren Buffett, one of the world's wealthiest individuals. Buffett started investing as a teenager with just a small amount of money. He is famously frugal, living in the same modest house he bought decades ago. Buffett's philosophy: do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. His story shows that consistent habits, no matter how small, can lead to extraordinary results over time. To sum it up, building wealth starts with simple habits: paying yourself first, budgeting, eliminating debt, automating your savings, investing early, and living below your means. These small actions, practiced consistently, can lead to financial freedom and long-term success. Now it is your turn. What financial habit do you think is the most important for building wealth? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't miss my next video, where I will dive deeper into how to start investing for beginners. If you find this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out.